everybody, welcome back to my channel, Ingridjoyaromas. Today I want to show you guys how to make an anti-aging roller bottle, and I'm going to be putting the recipe on the front of the screen for you so you can follow along. And today we are going to make this bottle. Essential oil can be a helpful tool in fighting signs of aging such as wrinkles and fine lines. It can be also helpful with age spots. You can learn about essential oils online. Just go Google it for aging, anti-aging, and make your own roller bottle, guys. As you can see here, I have 2 syringes, and I always have 2 because you never know. I'm using these small bottles, and so some will work and some won't work. As you can see, I'm using all these oils here, and also I have that bottle that I was showing you before. You don't really need to put it in this little bottle that I was showing you before. You can also put it into that bottle and half away it as well. So let's go along and start putting these drops in these bottles. As you can see today, that bottle that I was using is so beautiful, guys. And as I am going to be putting these drops in, I am going to be not talking for a while, and anti-aging skincare can be so extremely expensive. Anti-aging roller bottle is so easy to make and less pricey. At least you know what's in there and what are you going to be using on your face, guys. This roller bottle will take about 5 minutes to make, and you are done. And you will have this roller bottle to be used for the next, say, 3 weeks, depends on how you use it. So I mean, you know, making your own roller bottle, it costs less money, and yeah, you know what's in it. I'm gonna be using fractionated coconut oil today, but you can also use liquid carrier oils of your choice, and the best carrier oils are jojoba oil. You can use almond oil. You can use sweet. I mean, there's so much carrier oils out there. Sometimes I just have brain freeze, guys. So to remove the roller bottle, like I was showing you before, all you need is, you can see here. Let me see if this will come out. Yes, it will. And all you do is just remove the roller bottle top and add your oils, the amount of oils that you need to use. As you can see, guys, I am talking, but at the same time I am trying to drop these oils in these bottles because I want to give you as much information as I can. Fill the rest of the bottle half away, or the way with fractionated coconut oil when you're done, or other carrier oil of your choice, and just shake well. And guys, it is ready to use. For the best results, apply to the area of concern that you need. Your mind gonna be adding and I have different oils here today, but today, as you can see, I'm going to be adding this. You know what? I may just add the avocado oil, because I have these different oils here. I'm just showing you them right now, which oil we have right now. So do a patch test as well, guys. This oil is really good for wrinkles, fine line and aging, and also age spots. Don't you expect to use it for a couple weeks and it's gonna go away. It's not gonna go away so quickly like anything else. You have to use it. You can roll it, this ball, over your eyes, under your eyes, your forehead, around your mouth, anywhere you'll notice there's wrinkles and fine line or age spots. As always, give yourself a little patch test, guys, and see if you have any bubbles that will comes up, and if there's any bubbles that comes up, you know you have to stop using it, and if there is none, you know you have to stop using it. And so it's so easy to, and this little bottle is so pretty too. I have a couple of them, and what I use them for as well is perfume sticks. So I use these little roller bottle here for little perfume sticks, perfume oil I should say. I make perfume with these, and you know, when I'm in a rush or whatever it is, you know, I am refreshing myself and so forth. So as you can see here, you have the option of using this little bottle here, which you can put 1 to 2 drops in your hand and then apply it to your face. As you can see, there's so much that comes out, so you just rub it to the area that you need, and there you go, and it's come out as smoothly as possible, and it's not like it's over flooding, coming out over flooding or anything like that. If you're going to be using that small bottle that I just showed you, all you need to do is just put 2 to 3 drops in your palm of your hand, and just apply it to your face. And as you can see here, I just use these 5 oils here plus my carrier oil, and I made this beautiful little anti-aging roller bottle. Thanks so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.